What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, I want to jump right into it today. I got a lot to teach you guys, so please follow along as these lessons go together for the sake of mastery on your end. All right, let's go ahead and dive into it. Check it out, guys. With the SPY ticker symbol SPY sitting at 409 and 9 cent in after hours, guys. It was down 0.55% on today, roughly $2.24. And check this out, guys. A lot of what we went over yesterday came to fruition today. And of course, we're going to unpack it. But before we do that, let's go ahead and take a look, guys. At 9:30, check it out. We were sitting at right at here 411. So we already had gapped up. We did a dip and rip. You know what I'm saying? We went down 410.58 at 9:45, and then boom, we shot up to create this little small double top right here. 10:05, that was 411.44, and then 10:15 was the second part of the double top. What happens whenever we have a double top, guys? You can expect a drop. Okay, what happens next is going to be the lesson on today, so stay tuned as we're going to bring out the charts momentarily. But at 10:15, sitting at 11:52, after we got rejected and our attempt to test 412, guys, we begin to come down. Okay, these are the plays that I love right here, and we begin to come down all the way from 10:15 all the way for the next 2 hours and 5 minutes, guys, down here to 12:20, 407. So we went at full, what was that, $4. Okay, and this is how you have those 100% type of days. Okay, if you're able to catch the move. But I don't care about you catching the whole move. I like you guys to get in the habit of taking part in the move. Okay, you might have caught this move from here 10:15 to 10:25. You might have caught this pop back up right here all the way back down here. Okay, catching part of the move is just as good as if you caught the entire move, and I want you guys to embrace that. Okay, but listen, guys, this went on to form a double bottom down here at 12:20. It kind of took a long time to play out. You had I would call this a triple bottom. One right there, 2:35. One right there at 3 o'clock. Another one at 3:30. I might share a quadruple bottom. Another one at 3:45 before we made this last ditch effort in the last minute push to end out the market. Okay, and so that was that, guys. But check it out. We're gonna pull out the charts and unpack how everything we kind of discussed on yesterday played a part. Okay, and I talked to you guys about projecting and trying to anticipate. Now, I wasn't expecting this to happen today, but this is why we plan, and this is why we teach the game the way that we teach it and break it down the way that we do. Okay, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, yesterday lesson was on a 15-minute chart, so for purpose of continuation, I wanted to start here, guys. Take your eyes here. This is where we opened up today at. But I'm going to move this out the way really quickly just so you guys can see a 50,000 foot view of what's going on. Okay, if you look at this alone, you have that, and then you have that. What does that create, guys? We call that a double top. But nevertheless, I'll show you that momentarily. Yesterday, I was talking to you guys about the fact that all this time we've been riding this line of support. Okay, anytime I draw this line, that is operating as support. All the way back here, you see this operating as support, support, support. And then today, guys, we finally had our first breach of that level. We cracked the 13 EMA here. Okay, that's what this purple line is, 13 EMA. We cracked it there, and then we just began to come down to the 48. So we lost this first level support. Now for the first time we have come and test the 48 support. Okay, I'm gonna write this out because I need you guys to get this. All right, we came and breached through this. Look at this, guys. This is beautiful. All right, but this is what we taught about yesterday. All right, and it's that double bottom that we just went over here, and then it tried to pop up to close out the day. All right, but listen, This on the 15-minute chart, look how clean this looks. And so you can see the game a little more clearly, guys, when you kind of zoom out on bigger time frames versus the hustle and bustle on maybe the 1-minute chart and the 2-minute chart. But the 48 today was tested for the first time in several days. Okay, it was tested for the first time in several days. I'm going to move this out the way because I want to make sure I keep the charts clean and that you see what's going on. Okay, it was tested today, and then we actually broke through. All right, and then we tested that 407 level. So this level right here, look at that, that end up holding up as support on the day, okay, to the downside. All right, now don't be surprised. You need to look for a two-way go. Okay, don't be surprised if we get back above this level and try to start moving back to the upside. Okay, or potentially you can look for a gap down. Okay, because remember, I always said identify your gaps. Okay, that's one right there, and you got one right there. Okay, and so if this gap is going to be filled, maybe this level at 406, 405 on tomorrow may be a potential target. And if it don't come tomorrow, guys, it may come as early as Thursday, even though we have a short week. Okay, however, we don't guess, we don't gamble, we react. Okay, I don't want you guys getting in the habit of trying to do too much. I just want you to trade the chart and follow price action. If you guys can follow those simple principles, okay, you will begin to see that, you know what, I'm able to strategically have a trading plan every single day, make my money, get in and get out, not overstay my welcome. Okay, and if you can stack incremental victories on top of each other, guys, before you know it, those $100 days turn into $200 days, then you are having $500 weeks, $1,000 weeks, then those days become $1,000 days, and then you begin to stack mastery on top of mastery, and before you know it, it's a beautiful thing. Okay, these are the things I want you guys to be embracing on your journey. We went over this yesterday, but today we had a chance to see exactly how it played out. And if you were able to take advantage and capture the move, I just want to say major salute. Okay, I want to keep showing up every day, teaching you guys the little nuances of the game, things to look out for. Okay, now if we hop back into the chart, we have this level tested. Okay, but you still see down here at 403, we're nowhere near in sight of that yet, because we got support at the 207 level holding us up currently. Okay, so just put that on your radar, that if we do have a flush down, maybe not tomorrow, but after we go back and maybe test 412, maybe, you know, when they come back down, you may see them make a run for 403 or something like that. Okay, listen guys, these are just little nuggets. I'm trying to make sure that you guys become surgical at this game, because if you can, like we did in advance before the stock even opened, we bust out the charts in yesterday's video, and I went over with you guys the fact that these are the scenarios I want you to look out for. I want you to do this ASAP. And if you were able to capture and take advantage of it, you had a massive move today that took the play not only towards near that 412 range, but then on the reversal, it came down exactly like we illustrated in yesterday's video. Okay, so tomorrow it remains to be seen whether we gap up, gap down, or continue to trade sideways. However, the point of this and the beauty of this is we shall see soon enough, guys. Keep it locked. I want you guys to keep showing up and showing out. Keep making sure you tapping into the Discord, you tapping in with the pro investors, and you're taking advantage of the plays that we're giving out each and every day. Okay guys, if that sounds like a plan, remember we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.